Minister also said to legalize communal houses. How we are following up on this matter? And do you think it's right or to, in a sense, to legalize or something?
See, that is under scrutiny as far as the communal is concerned. We will take opinion as far as the legal opinion as far as legalizing and how we can legalize this housing. But the most important thing is we should take the Communidades on board. Nothing is going to happen without the Communidades being on board.
But it's
And we will take them into confidence before government basically does it.
But it's also shocking that communal has no data or whether there are illegal constructions and all.
Ultimately, the responsibility of each community. Any encroachment basically comes in a respective community area. It is the attorney and the committee. They are responsible basically. So first of all, you must go to the root of the matter. How basically this encroachment, who allowed this encroachment to come? Encroachment has not come overnight, and you cannot get light connection, water connection, all those things you just cannot get. Even if you want to have water connection, they will tell you either you get your owner's NOC, something will tell you get. So that it is in Connivance. Maybe some communities in Connivance. I cannot say all communities. There are many communities basically are protecting their land. There are some communities basically where this encroachment basically has taken. But I am just trying to say, without taking communities on board, they can do nothing. So we'll take communities on board and we will discuss and we will deliberate with them and then we will discuss. Communidades not worry.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.